Ladies and gentlemen, I'm here with Maggie Cheney from Tomorrow.io. Maggie, tell me a little bit about what you're expecting to see and learn here at the conference this year.
I'm really expecting carriers to come forward with the problems they see and the problems they've solved to help others leapfrog and understand the challenges that they've run into in the past.
I love that. You talked a little bit off camera about your product at Tomorrow.io and how you guys are bringing lots of really interesting data together on the prevention side. Go into a little bit more about that.
Absolutely. So a lot of what we see here is technologies and solutions to be able to cut the slack or make the claims process more efficient.
Right.
From Tomorrow's perspective is when there's a weather-related hail or weather-related claim, what if you could prevent that from happening even in advance? Hail being a primary or secondary peril, if you will.
Right.
That can be millions of dollars from a drag or a combined ratio perspective.
Right. So get the cars inside. Like we see this.
Blanket over your car, put it in a garage. That simple message has shown a very significant uptake and trust from the policyholders who may not necessarily be aware of this is a pending peril that's going to impact them and their carrier financially.
When you see carriers that are hesitant to make moves in this space, what are some of the things that you're hearing as to some of those resistance points, those friction points?
Gosh, I think there are two. I think the industry, as you know from your experience here, is built on a very strong bedrock of existing technology.
Yes.
Being able to work through the change management of that, of a new intelligence aspect or lever to pull. That's difficult, scary, name your word, but it takes a lot of understanding of the opportunity from an economic perspective.
Right.
Second being a trust with the policyholders through that communications channel that they're going to be engaged with.
Right.
Is the policyholder going to act? If you give them the right message at the right time and it's backed up by data that nobody else has? Absolutely.
Amen. I hear that as an opportunity to engage your insurance policyholders in a whole different way.
Ecosystem approach.
Yeah. I love it. I love it. Maggie, I hope you enjoy the conference and the best of luck.
Great to meet you.